Welcome to Lesson 1.7, where we will explore the concept of summons in civil litigation under the Civil Procedure Code, CPC. Summons are essential for notifying parties about legal proceedings and ensuring their participation. In this session, we will cover the issuance and service of summons, modes of service, challenges in serving foreign summons, and key case laws that emphasize their importance. Issuance and service of summons. Meaning of summons. A summons is a legal document issued by the court to notify a party, whether a plaintiff, defendant, or witness, about a legal proceeding. It directs the recipient to appear before the court and participate in the process. Summons ensure procedural fairness by informing all parties of their legal obligations. Legal provisions. Let's review the key legal provisions governing summons. Issuance of summons. Under Section 27 in Order V, Rule 1, the court issues a summons to the defendant upon the institution of a suit. This document informs the defendant of the suit and requires them to submit a written statement within a specified time frame. Contents of summons. As per Order 5, Rule 2, a summons must include 1. The name of the court and the case number. 2. The names of the parties. 3. The purpose of the summons, such as submitting a written statement or appearing before the court. 4. The date and time of appearance. It must also bear the court's seal and the signature of the presiding officer. Modes of service. The CPC provides several modes to ensure effective service of summons. 1. Personal service, Order 5, Rule 9. The summons is delivered personally to the defendant or their authorized agent by a court officer or process server. Example, a court officer delivers the summons directly to the defendant at their residence. 2. Substituted service, Order 5, Rule 20. If personal service is impracticable, the court may allow substituted service by affixing the summons on the defendant's property or publishing it in a newspaper. Example, if a defendant absconds, the court may publish the summons in a local newspaper. Service by post, Order 5, Rule 10. Summons may be sent via registered post with acknowledgement due. Example, a corporate defendant receives the summons at their registered office by mail. 4. Electronic service. Recent amendments allow summons to be served via email or other electronic means. Example, a defendant is notified through their registered email address. Consequences of non-service. If a summons is not properly served, the court cannot proceed with the case. Improper service often leads to adjournments and delays, disrupting the judicial process. 1.5 Practical examples. Here are 2 examples. Example 1. A summons is personally served to a defendant at their residence, ensuring proper delivery. Example 2. A defendant avoids service. The court permits substituted service by publishing the summons in a local newspaper. Landmark case laws. 2 landmark cases underscore the importance of proper service of summons. 1. Vishnu Dutt Sharma v. Daya Sapra. The Supreme Court emphasized that proper service is essential to maintain procedural fairness. 2. Basavaraj R. Patil v. State of Karnataka. The court clarified that substituted service is valid only when personal service is impractical. Meaning and purpose. Foreign summons refers to notifying a party residing outside India about legal proceedings in Indian courts. This process ensures that parties outside the court's territorial jurisdiction are properly informed and can participate in the case. Legal provisions. The following provisions govern foreign summons. Section 29 of the CPC governs the service of summons to individuals residing outside India. Order 5, Rules 25 to 26A, specify the procedures for serving summons to foreign entities or individuals. Modes of service for foreign summons. Service of foreign summons can occur through 1. Diplomatic channels, Rule 26A. Summons are sent to the Ministry of External Affairs, which forwards them to the relevant foreign government for service. 2. Through foreign courts. If a treaty or agreement exists, the summons is served through designated courts in the foreign country. 3. Direct service by post. In some cases, summons can be sent directly by registered post, subject to the foreign country's laws. 4. Electronic means. Modern amendments permit service via email or other electronic platforms, provided the foreign jurisdiction recognizes this method. Challenges in serving foreign summons. Serving foreign summons involves several challenges. 1. Compliance with foreign laws. The process must align with the procedural requirements of the foreign jurisdiction. 2. Delays in diplomatic processes. Diplomatic channels often take significant time, causing delays in case progression. 3. Jurisdictional issues. Ensuring the summons is legally binding in the foreign country can be complex. Practical examples. Consider these examples. Example 1. A summons is served to a defendant in the UK through the Indian High Commission. Example 2. A multinational company headquartered in the US is served summons by registered post at its office. Landmark case laws. Key judgments highlight the procedural requirements for serving foreign summons. 1. Modi Entertainment Network versus WSG Cricket Deleted. The Supreme Court emphasized the role of international treaties in serving foreign summons. 2. Cecil S. Wilson versus Union of India discussed the procedural necessities for notifying parties outside India. Conclusion. The issuance and service of summons are integral to ensuring parties are notified and given a fair opportunity to participate in legal proceedings. By providing robust mechanisms for domestic and foreign service, the CPC upholds the principles of natural justice and procedural fairness. Thank you for joining this session. In our next lesson, we'll explore the critical steps in pleadings and their essential elements, which form the foundation of every civil suit. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable legal insights and updates, youtube.com/prolegalminds. If you have any legal questions or need assistance, visit us at prolegalminds.com to connect with our expert team. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of the law with confidence. Stay informed, stay empowered. See you in the next session.